Hello guys, here is I have Apple Watch Series 5 44 mm and touch is not working properly, so you have to replace the screen, and I'm going to show you how to replace that. We need very tiny tool, and we put some alcohol on side. Just lifting up a little bit, apply more alcohol. Now we're gonna use the other tools. This one a little bit thicker. Now it goes in and apply more alcohol. We have to be careful right here because that is one ribbon, and we try to put too deep inside this open tools. It might be ripped that ribbon. And now we're gonna put some heat on top. Is heat a little bit too more. We don't want to keep heat in one place. We have to move it. Yeah, now it's lifting up a little bit, and add some alcohol again. Yeah, now it's better. Yeah, now it goes easily. So you have to keep doing it like that. We are almost done. Yeah, it's already lifted the screen. And I'm gonna show you where is the ribbon. Is under the screen and is now attached with the screen. So we're gonna remove from the screen that ribbon. Now you're gonna remove this ribbon. You can see there is the ribbon is attached with the screen. Yeah, we already done remove the ribbon from the screen. Now we're gonna remove the belt. Now we're gonna remove the screen connection. There is 3 connection. We have to remove it. Add some heat on top of that, so it's gonna be easy to remove it. With the tweezer, we just pull it up, lock. There is the connection lock. You have to pops up, and there is the glue tape. We have to remove it. There is a black thing. We have to clean it from the LCD connection, and with the finger we just lifting up a little bit slowly. Just clean it the connection. Add some more alcohol here. Add some alcohol right here also. One, we already removed the connection. Now we're gonna remove other two of them. There is another one, and there is the middle one. Now we're gonna remove it. Here is remove. Now we just clean it a little bit. We have to put it back on new screen, this 3 connection. So we just clean it. And there is clean now. Now I'm gonna show you the ribbon I talking about. Yeah, there it is. It should be attached on frame, but it already pops out, so we have to put it back with the glue. Now we're gonna remove the whole thing from the frame, then we're gonna put the glue and put it back the ribbon again. And it looks good. There is no rip or nothing. Now it pops out from the frame. Now we're gonna put it back with the glue. Yeah, now we're gonna put it back this ribbon. Top of that, we have to install the screen. There is new screen. We're gonna connect 3 connection. Pops out the black lock. With the tweezer, we just want to push it inside. Yeah, there is one side. We just push it inside and lock the connection. Yeah. Yeah. Lock it, and there's the last one. We're gonna push it inside and lock it. And now we're gonna put the sticker tape on top of that. The tape hold the screen, so it's screen connection, so it's not gonna be moved. Yeah, we all set here. Now we're gonna test the screen. We're gonna test it the screen. Let me turn on. It's turning on. Let me do 1, 2, 3. Gonna do cross. We don't want to put 5, then it's gonna be disabled. So just 3. We're gonna press it. Yeah. Yes, it's working properly. So now we're gonna install the screen with the glue. Let me turn off the watch. It's turning off. Now we're gonna apply the glue again and install the screen. Make sure your screen will be on center. Here is on center. Now we're gonna clip on 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we're gonna clean the glue on side. Whatever is glue on show up on the screen, we're gonna clean it after 30 minutes. Here is past 30 minutes. Now we're gonna unclip and clean the glue on side. We're gonna turn it on. See, make sure it's working again. We clean it already. You see, it's nicely clean. 1, 2, 3. Here it's working. Now you're gonna press the button. Make sure button also working. Yeah, it's working. It's pressing nicely. Now you're gonna put a back clip again, like 2-3 hours. Make sure glue will be dry nicely. After 3 hours, we take off and see. Make sure the screen close with the frame nicely. Yes, it looks good. Its glue also dry nicely. Now I'm gonna put a back belt. Yeah, that's all right now. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.